Hi, I'm Eoin with the Environmental Literacy and Outdoor Education Program for Anne Arundel County Public Schools. There are many ways to get outside and enjoy nature. You never know what you might discover. Today, you can learn how to grow your own vegetables in containers that you might already have at home. Vegetable gardening is fun for the whole family, and it's a great way to have healthy and delicious vegetables all summer long. But if you don't have a lot of space in your yard for an in-ground vegetable garden, a container garden is a great alternative. With a container garden, you can grow vegetables on your patio, in your driveway, or even on a sunny balcony. You can grow vegetables anywhere in containers. You can grow just about any vegetable or herb in your container garden, including beans, greens, tomatoes, peppers, or many more. Now it's time to gather the materials we'll need for our container garden. We'll need compost, potting mix, water, containers, fertilizer, support structures like a tomato cage, and the vegetables themselves, which could be seeds or small plants to transplant. A few optional items include a pair of gloves, a small shovel or trowel, an electric drill, and some twine or string. You can find all of those items at your local home improvement store or garden center. But for the containers, challenge yourself to reuse things you already have at home to save some money and the environment. Inside those containers, you're going to have a growing medium for your plants to develop healthy roots. You're not going to want to use the dirt from your backyard. Instead, use a combination of compost and potting mix. This is compost on the left and potting mix on the right. Compost is made up of natural organic material that has broken down over time, things like kitchen scraps or dead leaves. You can buy compost at the store, or you can even make your own at home. There's another Head Outside video that will teach you how. Compost retains moisture and helps your plants absorb nutrients. Now this potting mix is very different. It's light and airy and drains well. This gives your plants a clean environment to grow and promotes healthy root growth over time. The first step is to prepare your planting medium. I'm using half compost and half potting mix, so I'm going to have to mix them together and add plenty of water to make sure there's nice, even moisture throughout. You could also use 100% compost or 100% potting mix. If you're using an old container, now's your chance to add some holes with your drill. These holes will allow for proper water drainage. Next, line the bottom of your container with a newspaper, paper towel, or coffee filter to keep the planting medium from leaking out. As you fill your container, mix in fertilizer along the way, according to the instructions on the package. Fill your container to about 1 inch from the top. Next, add any necessary support structures like a stake or tomato cage before you plant. To start planting, use your trowel or hand to dig a hole. Since I'm planting tomatoes, I'm digging a deep hole to bury 2/3 of the tomato stem. This helps it grow strong, healthy roots. Next, you can add some mulch, shredded leaves, or straw. These help your container retain moisture. Finally, give your plant a nice, thorough watering to help it settle into its new home. All done! Over the coming weeks and months, you'll have to give your plants water and fertilizer to help them as they grow along the way. Before you know it, you'll have delicious and healthy vegetables all of your own. Before you start planting, make sure to find some specific information about the types of vegetables you would like to grow. The University of Maryland Cooperative Extension is a great resource.
Thanks for joining us. We'd love to see what you planted, so leave us a comment with a picture or a video of your very own container vegetable garden. And be sure to keep an eye out for future Arlington Echo Head Outside videos. See you later!